What's up, people? Welcome back to Sky and Mac. Yeah, so as usual, I'm going to be giving my market weekly analysis. Yeah, on Euro USD. So what do I expect from Euro USD this coming week? Well, very simple stuff. Very simple stuff. So last week, you can see I was anticipating some sales. Yeah, and the week never really did that much of stuff. It was just more of an consolidated state. Yeah, otherwise I was anticipating a pullback into these levels so that we can continue the downtrend like that until these major levels that I've indicated down there. Yeah, so overall was still bearish on Euro USD. Obviously the overall trend is to the downside. Yeah, as we can see. Maybe if we go to the daily, yeah, go to the daily, what's happening here? Let's go to the daily time frame. You can see the overall trend of Euro USD has been to the downside. You can see the overall direction is going down. So we anticipate this to continue. Yeah, because if the trend is bearish, we anticipate the trend to continue bearish overall. Therefore, we anticipate every low that is made to be taken out. Yes, maybe we can expect some small reactions, but we don't really expect these lows to reverse the trend completely, like my price just bounces off of these places like crazy. The most likely anticipation is that these lows will be taken out, yeah, like that, and then make a pullback, take out the next low just like that, make a pullback, and like that until maybe some fundamental factors change the overall trend. Yeah, but for now this is the overall anticipation of the market. Yeah, so these major levels that I mark out are not for reversals for the overall trend. They are reversals for the 4H trend, which is just the intermediate, which is just the trend within this daily trend. So the daily time frame makes swing legs from highs to lows like that. So in this daily swing leg, the 4H is also making bearish structure. But when the daily reaches a major level, I anticipate the 4H to reverse the trend. But on the daily, it will just be a pullback. And then like that, continue the trend, the 4H will switch bearish like that. And so that's all I anticipate in the markets. So I just simply trade the 4H trend, or in other words the daily substructure. Yeah, that's what I can say. So it's very simple stuff, yeah. Otherwise, yeah, so what do I expect from Euro USD this coming week? So on Euro USD, if we go to the 4H, let's go to the 4H, we can see that we are currently bullish on the 4H. We just recently switched structure. Let me just delete this previous analysis, these levels. Yeah, so since we formed the new 4H range, those levels are no longer valid. Yeah, only if they break a daily structure. So if we notice this structure, it was bullish since here, and then when we broke this low, it switched to bearish. Then we formed new 4H range like that until we eventually took out that high right there. And so now we are bullish on the 4H. So my anticipation is price should return to my discount zones to continue the bearish moves back, probably to mitigate some levels up here and sell off, yeah, from there. Otherwise, that's why I'm anticipating price to return to, maybe to also fill up these gaps we can see in the market here. Probably on the daily they'll be more visible, these gaps we can see right here. Yeah, but for now we are currently bullish, but if we start to form bearish structure, we take out this low, then I anticipate price to continue the bearish trend. But for now we are currently bullish on the 4H. So where I'm anticipating my buys is in my discount zones, obviously. So I've already marked out my fib from this low to that high, as we can see. And so now my POIs were all found on the 15 minutes. That's where I found the last imbalances in price action. So I always start with the extreme point of interest. So you can see the first POI is right there. Yeah, this point of interest. And then my second point of interest is right there. These are the last imbalances in price action that I found in my discount levels. Yeah, so you can see that's the price action that I have. Those are the points of interest that I have. Yeah, so very simple stuff. Yeah, those are my demand zones, in other words, that I'll be looking at as next week opens. So I'm anticipating some buys in there. I'll look for 15 minutes confirmation in these zones, 15-minute confirmation, then target the high, or we can look for the confirmation in the extreme zone if the secondary zone is not respected, like that. And that's my anticipation on EURUSD. So the overall target is obviously this 4H high right there. That's a valid 4H high. So if price begins to go bullish from here, then we'll form a new 4H range and we'll mark out our new demand zones where we anticipate price to return to. But for now, this is the current price action that we have. Yeah, so you can see price is filling up all these efficiencies in price action here, and yeah, seems like we're already even reacting to these inefficiencies, but this is all just liquidity building up to enter into my points of interest. Yeah, this is all liquidity. People are obviously placing their stop losses down here, so I anticipate price to take that out, give me confirmation, and target those highs. Yeah, so we'll see what the market will do for us next week. Yeah, otherwise the previous week was quite interesting, although yeah, never really caught any good setup. So I'm looking forward to next week and see how things are going. If you want to see exactly how I'm looking at the markets throughout the week, the trades I'm taking, then you can join the Telegram group. The link is in the description. Currently about, I think, 29 people right now in there, so join the fam. You can also share your setups in there. It's an open group. You're free to share what you think about the markets. It doesn't matter whether you trade SMCs, ICT, support and resistance, trend lines, flags, whatever you trade. I don't know, maybe some people even are traders, so that's really crazy, but yeah, anyway, whatever you trade, you can join the group, share your thoughts, and we also all share our thoughts. And you can pretty much also ask questions, anything you like to do. It's a free open group. As long as what you're talking about is trading related, it's invited. Otherwise, that's all I had for you guys today. Currently trading my MFF live, so I'm pretty sure to generate something, yeah, that I can now eventually withdraw. But for now, let's just stick to our plans. Let's keep on trading, and we'll see how things will go. Otherwise, if you made it to the end, I really appreciate. It really means a lot. It means you're actually finding my content valuable. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, comment whatever you'd like to know or ask. Yeah, or maybe you just like to thank me for making the video. Yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Peace.